Welcome back, everyone. So, that previous video talked about an incident. So, my dad used my car trailer, and he didn't want to back it back into the barn. It was on his truck, so I was like, "How I put it in there? Can't tell you how many times I put it in there on the farm 350." So he's like, "You gotta get over. You gotta get over." Okay, pay attention. So on one of them posts in there, you walk in and be on the left. There was a gate hanging there. Not currently was, but the hangers were still there. There was one on the ground. It was kind of. I have any up here? Yep. It was still in the post, but it's bent down like that. And yeah, I heard it in the truck. Bonk. It's like, "You're good." I'm like, I just got out of the truck all mad. Because that's why I don't let people use my shit. I don't care if I was doing it or not, but you gotta be paying attention. So get out and go back here and like, "Hell, you let me run over that damn gate hanger." He's like, "Eh." As soon as I pulled forward, blew one tire. And the other one, that was the rear tire, and the front one broke a belt in the sidewall. So 2 tires down. So what I did was, I was like, "Hell, just pull it out, throw my spare on, because then I didn't even notice the second one until I was changing it. He tapped me on the shoulder and pointed at it. I'm like, well, fuck." So now I got some Trans-American Trans-Equals. Sounds right. 10 ply. Currently what was on there was 6, so harder tire, harder compound. So yeah, it's no big deal. Just on one axle now. I'm gonna have 2 Trans-Eagles, and the other ones are the Kenda Carrier KR 3525. Something like that. So I got some new tires here. I'm gonna go change them at my buddy's shop. I'm not gonna balance them. I know some people do, some people don't, but I don't see, there ain't no damn weights on the ones that are on there, so they're not balanced. So well, everyone, I didn't manage to get footage of me and John changing the tires because, well, I couldn't get mine to seat on the bead, and I ended up having to take them next door, and they'd had the bead blasted to get it put on the rim. Then he had a motorcycle tire he wanted to change, so I helped him change that. We trade favors back and forth. It was like a 650, 850 V-Star maybe. Spoked wheels, had a tube in it. They're pain in the ass. Try to get the valves in lined up because it's a double 90. It's like the valves. And getting your hands in between the rim, and it's got to be so far down, and this helps having a person there to do it. So yeah, I got footage of that. So I can't tell you how long we worked on trying to get them tires to seat just the way it was. It's put together. It was packaged and shipped here. The side walls were all pretty much like that far apart, so even the old ether trick didn't get her. Hell, I had to hit them a couple times with the cheetah. So yeah, that's it for now. Stay tuned.